bevel edge before sharpening. It looks good, but a little leans, but it's not cut here at all. Very dull, but looks okay. And there is one tips, if you see. One step to bevel edge. I don't know what happened. The razor was sharpened without, I don't know, with the tape. So just now I'm sharpening without any tapes, and I began 1000 grit Naniva, but then 400 grit Naniva, so I couldn't reach bevel edge. You can see a black line. It's I didn't reach the exactly bevel edge, so it was a very big angle. And just now, but it's very close. And just now, at the end, yes, this is I reached bevel edge. But this place, no. I don't know what happened. Somebody sharpened maybe, and with many tapes, or he polished it and lifted back spine of this razor. I don't know, but very big angle. 400 grits. $1000 grit на Niva Cesera. 3000 grit на Niva Cesera. 6000 grit King. Mikawa Nagura Tenzio. Koma Nagura. It's bevel edge after Escher. Thuringian water stone. Hello guys, today I will shave with this razor. It's a Dovo Astrale. It's a razor of nowadays. It's this box. I show you, so I don't recommend to buy this razor, the new Dovos. So it's a big problem with the geometry. I don't know about steel, but with the geometry is very big problems. It's very difficult to sharpen this razor. I don't know, maybe it happened after it's not on a factory. There was a bad sharpened. Maybe after factory this razor was sharpened, but there was a very big angle, so it's very difficult to sharpen it. The geometry, it's very bad. Okay, So today I will test this razor, and the second razor, it's Japanese frame back. I tested. It was very good razor. The first one in this competition will be Dovo. The second one, Japanese straight razor. Also, I will use Prorasa pre-shave, shaving soap, tabak, shaving brush, Omega, bristle, and let's go. Dovo, Solingen, and Japanese straight razor. So many words I told before shaving about the Solingen. It's very awful when I sharpen it. It's really, I spent much time, and I was disappointed and about geometry. It's disappointed about difficulties when you sharpen a razor. It's razor for sharpening service. But when I shave, it's I feel it's quite good still. Not excellent, but quite good. It's very clean shaving. Quite not very comfortable, but quite okay. So shaving was not bad. It's quite good. But about sharpening, it was many problems, really problems about geometry. The steel, it's not problem, geometry. But the shaving, it's quite okay. So I like it more, this razor, Japanese straight razor. It's more comfortable, more soft. It's clean, but the Solingen Dovo, it's clean too. It's no problems. It's very clean. But this Japanese razor, it's more comfortable. More comfortable shaving. The first place, the Japanese straight razor, and second place Dovo, and I will send to owner. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.